When indoor unit displays E4, E5, E6, F1, F2, F3, those indicate open or short circuit of the temperature sensor. Malfunction decision conditions. If the sampling voltage is lower than 0.06 volts or higher than 4.94 volts, the LED will display the failure. The error could be caused by 1. Wiring mistake, 2. Faulty sensor, 3. Faulty PCB. This is T1, indoor room temperature sensor. This is T2, evaporator temperature sensor. This is T3, condenser temperature sensor. This is T4, outdoor ambient room temperature sensor. This is T5, compressor discharge temperature sensor. Check the wiring of sensor for different main board. This structure is T3, T4, T5, sensors being integrated onto a sub-patch. This structure is T3, T4, being for the sub-patch. T5 inserted in the main control board. If the wiring of the sensor is correct, check the resistance value of the sensor. Remove the protective buckle. Pull out the plug. Measure the resistance value of T3, T4, T5 sensor. The resistance value refers to the characteristic table. If the value is abnormal, replace the sensor. If the resistance value is normal, replace the main control board.